this video, we will guide you step by step on how to create a purchase order in Logiwa quickly and easily. Access the purchase orders section. To begin, go to the navigation bar and click on Inventory, then select Purchase Order. Find the Create Purchase Order button in the upper right corner and click on it. Step 1. Enter purchase order details or PO details. A new window will open where you would need to fill in the order details. PO number. Enter the purchase order code. PO type. Choose the appropriate purchase order type, and for more details, refer to the attached file. PO date. Automatically set the current date and time. Optional. Planned receiving date and actual receiving date. You can also add a reference number and notes if needed. Once all fields are completed, click Next Step. Step 2. Add products. In this section, you will add products to your purchase order. Enter the SKU in the search bar and specify the quantity. Click the plus button and add the item to the order. In the Edit Product tab, select the pack type, unit or mustard carton. If your brand handles mustard cartons, this option will appear in the drop-down menu. The receiving details. This section is not required. Then click Apply. Note: the price displayed here is not the final charge, but the cost of the product in your store. Once all products are added, click Next Step. Step 3. Select Vendor. Choose a default vendor and create a new one by clicking Add New Vendor. At this stage, you have all the necessary information to confirm your order. If you want to add more details, click Next Step. Otherwise, proceed to confirm the order. Step 4. Additional information. This is optional. If applicable, you can enter the RMA code in this section. Then click Next Step. Step 5. Confirm your order. Review all details to ensure accuracy. Click Confirm Purchase Order and done! You have successfully created your order.